I think for people that are looking to work at HSC, knowing that the work culture here is very, very nice, and everyone here is super nice, the people are nice.
I've been very happy to just experience how corporate philanthropy and sustainability can work together.
It's exciting to work at a place where every day is different and that the people are always supporting you and looking to help you.
HSC is awesome. The people are great. I've never had a negative experience with anybody. Whenever I had questions about stuff, I just reached out to somebody and they were willing to help.
I've learned so much. Everyone here is super friendly and willing to answer all my questions. So
everyone here is super nice, super welcoming. They just make you feel right at home from the start. And with the plan itself, there's so much to learn, always. You can always ask questions. Everyone's happy to answer questions, and they just make you feel like this is the place that you want to be.
This was my favorite internship so far. I just really feel like this internship gave me a lot of hands-on experience in what I could be looking at from a chemical plant standpoint.
I have an opportunity next summer to choose another internship and apply new places. If I get a returning offer from HSC, which hopefully I do, it's going to be at the top of my list.
HSC is very unique. Its technology is very unique. It's not like our oil and gas industries. You're working on a more sustainable side, looking at different technology than you'd see in any other industry. Everyone here is very collaborative and is willing to help you. So if you want to pursue your passions, HSC is the place to do it.